6 of the numbers that are left are prime. So you need to make sure that you check, okay? If you need to Google it, Google it. But only 6 should be circled, all right? Now, let's look at 2 through 13. 2 through 13 ask you to tell if each is prime or composite. Now, there are only, let's see, we've done 53 is in this group, 86 is not. So circle number 3. 95 is not in this group. 17's in your notebook, 24's in your notebook, 27's in your notebook, 8 is in your notebook, 9 we just did. What is 51? Composite. 103 we have not done, and 93 we have not done. Look in your notebook and tell me, what is 17?
17 is prime.
Is prime. So there are only 4 of these that we haven't done. And 2 of them, we can go ahead and say they're composite. Because we've got one that's what? A multiple of 2. And we have the one that's a multiple of 5. So you can already go ahead and write those 2 as composite numbers. All right? Now I want you to look at 14 to 16. 14 to 16 ask you to write the prime factorization of each number. Okay? So, I started each one for you. 7 times what is 28? 4. Is 4 prime or composite?
Composite.
Composite. So what times what's 4?
2
2. 2 times 2. 2 is that prime or composite? Prime. So what are we going to do to 2? Circle it. 7 is that prime or composite?
That is
Prime. So we circle it. All right. Now we have 2 times 2 times 7. What's 2 times 2?
4.
4 times 7.
28.
So did we get the right answer? Yes. Okay. Can I write it as 2 squared times 7?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. That leaves you 2 more to do here. All right. Flip over to the back.
Oh, is this homework? It's not.
Oh, this is bad.
This is your at-home work tomorrow.
Cool. This is cool.
All right.
It's fun.
On the back, these are a little challenging because I felt like the front was a little easy. All right. So these on the back are a little challenging. I've given you the prime numbers. You've got to multiply them to figure out the composite number that they make. Okay. So 2 times 2 is 4. Bring down my multiplication sign. 5 times 7 is
35.
35. And I still have times 11. So I'm going to come over here to the side and I'm going to do 35 times 4. 4 times 5 is 4 times 3 is
12.
plus 2 is 14. So I have 140 times 11. 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 1 is 1. When I go to the next row, what do I have to do? 0. 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 1 is 1. So my answer is 1,540.
Do we have to write those problems up?
All right, I want you to listen to me carefully about the last 3 on here, okay? You may use a calculator to check your work, okay? However, you must show me your work, okay? These are some big numbers that I gave you on this back. check your work with a calculator, okay? But do not think that if you come in here with just that answer written there that I'm going to grade your paper. What do you think I'm going to do to it if you just write an answer? I'm not giving you an F. What am I going to do?
Have to do
Oh, give it back.
I'm going to give it back to you. And what are you going to have to do?
Do it again.
Do it again. Okay? You've got to show me how you got that answer. All right? Now, I did give you a bonus question. It's just a brain teaser. There are 32 students in a class. How many ways can the class be divided into groups with equal numbers of students? What are the groups? Okay? Yes, ma'am. Okay. No. All right. I want you to write your answer on here for that one. I want you to try it. Okay? But I'm not going to count off if you get that one wrong. All right? Does anybody have a question?
We're supposed to be divided.